Videri Chocolate Factory first opened its doors in December of 2011. We've been making bean-to-bar chocolate ever since. And bean-to-bar chocolate is a process of sourcing beans from somewhere in Central and South America for us, bringing them into our factory, sorting them, roasting them, winnowing, grinding, refining, and then tempering them into bars. We also make bonbons, and we have a soft serve ice cream machine at our counter. We source beans from farmers or brokers, and then we bring them into our factory and we hand sort every single bag of beans. We take out little rocks or sticks or twigs or broken beans or things that wouldn't taste good in chocolate. And then we bring them back here and we roast them in our roaster. And then we winnow them, which is the cracking and separating of the husk from the nib. And then we grind them in our grinder, and then we refine them in our conch. And then we temper them in our tempering machines, and then we wrap and package them. So there's about 7 to 9 steps in our process. And one of them I'm standing next to is the roaster, which is where we impart most of our flavor and creativity into those cocoa beans. Our roaster here is a reappropriated coffee roaster, and it has been here since day one. So this machine has to be on and run consistently while that strip burner and the motor and everything are working in concert together to create a really delicious, flavorful roasted cocoa bean. When it's done correctly, it smells like the best brownies you've ever smelled. Or in our case, cocoa beans that are being roasted perfectly. We're at almost 5,000 roasts on this machine, and our ABB motor has been running smoothly since we got this machine. We are a small factory that you can see everything that we do, and we're a welcoming, friendly chocolate factory because our main goal is to work with farmers and brokers in countries that are growing a delicious product like this and continue to build our production so we can buy more beans. So for us, the future of it is continuing to make chocolate and share it with people.